La semaine est dangereuse, la journée amoureuse, la brise est chaleureuse de ma tristesse, dans le trou que je me creuse. Cherche, le monde est à tes pieds, mais où est ton bonheur? Tombe, mais laisse-toi pas tomber, oublie ton malheur. La nuit est mal tombée, les étoiles cessent de briller, la lune méchante ambrée, la victoire arrive trop tard. Félicitations à tous les morts qui ont accepté leur triste sort. Cherche, le monde est à tes pieds, et où est ton bonheur? Tombe, mais laisse-toi pas tomber, oublie ton malheur. Danse,
Welcome back. I hope you're well. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia. I make art vlogs. I'm a painter. And I also do different types of videos, tutorials and reviews, and a bunch of interesting things for creative people. The vlogs are longer and more chatty, and I try to get the tutorials to be more condensed and straight to the point. If you're a creative person and you like art in general, you might enjoy what I do. Consider subscribing. I would love to have you back. Today, as you saw, I hung up those abstract paintings that I made during the 30-day black and white challenge. I finally took some time to put them up. I've been in this house for a few months, like 6 months or so, maybe 7 months, but I haven't really taken the time to decorate properly and really settle in because I was focused on other things. But I think slowly I'm gonna start to make one room at a time a little bit more homey, and I'm going to pick a few art pieces that I really like from the 2 art challenges that I made, and I'm gonna choose a few pieces, frame them and put them up. For today's vlog, I think I might do it a little bit differently than the last 2 vlogs. If you don't know, I started a new painting series called Sunshine State of Mind. I'll put up the first painting if you're curious and you want to watch that. 2 things. First thing, I was saying that I wanted to put a weekly vlog every Saturday morning about that series for the next few weeks and maybe few months. As far as putting it on Saturday morning, I think it's going to vary, because I'm not sure exactly what is the best time to publish the vlog, and so I'm going to experiment a little bit. I'm noticing that the vlogs get a lot less views than my oil pastel videos, because I'm assuming that a lot of people subscribe to the channel for oil pastels. I could choose to do only oil pastels, but honestly, that's not the thing that I love the most doing. I do enjoy doing it a lot, but I have many other projects that are more passion projects for me, and I really enjoy vlogging. So even if I get a lot less views for the vlogs, I'm still going to keep vlogging. I just want to see what is the best time to publish the vlogs, because I know that the first day you publish a video is pretty critical for the algorithm to see if it's going to be recommended or not, and that plays a lot in the success of the video. And I put a lot of work in my videos, obviously, and so many other YouTubers as well, and I think it's understandable that we want it seen as much as possible. So I'm just gonna try a few different times and days of the week to post the vlogs, but I'm gonna try to keep it at 1 vlog per week. If you like vlogs, give it a thumbs up. Take 2 seconds to give it a thumbs up. It would make me really happy to see like how many of you genuinely enjoy the vlogs compared to the other videos that I have as well. I'm curious. The other thing is, I was saying that I would share my Sunshine State of Mind series under the hashtag SSOM on Instagram. I didn't think that through too much, but after going to see that hashtag, it already exists, and there's a lot of different types of photos there, and I don't feel like that tag is necessarily ideal for, that hashtag I mean, is necessarily ideal for the Sunshine State of Mind painting that I'm making. So from now on, I'm just gonna stick to Sunshine State of Mind as a hashtag, and I invite you to post your own Sunshine State of Mind photos with like a big pop of yellow expressing joy, and maybe in the grind of daily life, you're trying to keep that spark of happy with the yellow pop, you know, that's my quest and my goal. So let's get busy, see where we get to. My goal is to fill up all of this wall here of my studio with these Sunshine State of Mind paintings.
Sans tomber dans l'habitude, la lassitude, et sans parler de mes inquiétudes, ma solitude, je me comme avant de tout perdre au vent, au printemps de l'hiver noir, j'ai oublié de t'aimer, toi.
I'm all done. There it is. I don't know, this painting went really well. It kind of flowed naturally. Sometimes you struggle with bits of a painting or it just doesn't come together, but this painting went like a dream. I was working from a reference image that we took on a vacation a few years ago, David and I. We went to visit my family and I asked David to take a shot of me, and this is the shot. It was taken on a 35mm film and I really liked the shot. I put the Sunshine State of Mind twist on it and this is what we got. This is a photo of me, but it could be a photo of anyone. I like the fact that it's mysterious because it's taken from the back. I like the yellow hat. Overall, there's kind of like an air of mystery to the painting. Maybe it would be interesting if we saw a horizon line, maybe with water or the ocean in black and white. I'm not sure exactly. I'd have to think about it. As well as the band here, I wasn't sure if I should have it black or keep it light or gray. So that's the area that I'm not completely sure about. But everything else I'm really happy with. I'm happy with the gray shirt, the general like unfinished finish. I wanted to keep it very painterly. The hair as well. As I've mentioned before, these paintings, I don't want them to be very realistic. That's not my goal. This is more like illustrative, but I would like to push it in a direction that would get me even more of an expressive feel. So less illustrative and more like bolder and more brush strokes. It's gonna get there slowly, I feel like, but I'm getting my footing. You know, if I compare the two first paintings that I got, when I say more expressive, I mean like more dry brushing like this and big texture in the shading, as opposed to something more graphic and clean like this and more illustrative. Obviously, that's all a question of personal preference. This is my third Sunshine State of Mind painting. It's coming along really well. Let me know your thoughts. I'm sending you tons of inspiration and I'll see you very soon.